Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that helps you dodge those buyer's remorse bullets like a pro. Today, we're diving into the steamy world of cleaning with a showdown between the Bissell Power Fresh Steam Mop and the Kenmore SM2050 2-in-1 Steam Mop. So grab your mop and bucket because things are about to get messy. Let's see which one of these bad boys can tackle your floor grime like a ninja. The Bissell Power Fresh comes in at a sizzling $92. Reviewers appreciate its value, saying the price is justified by its efficiency in cleaning textured ceramic tile floors. Meanwhile, the Kenmore SM2050 is a steal at $89. Users have mentioned that it's a decent and affordable option, making it a great choice for budget-conscious buyers. So if you're on a budget, the Kenmore might just be your new best friend. When it comes to cleaning power, the Bissell claims to eliminate 99.9% of germs and bacteria, which users have found effective in removing years of grime, although some still resort to hand scrubbing for deep cleaning. The Kenmore also boasts the same germ-fighting capability, and reviewers love its versatility as a handheld steam cleaner, making it ideal for cleaning stubborn stains on various surfaces. In terms of versatility, the Bissell is great for hard floors and has a low-profile mop head that can reach tricky corners. Reviewers have noted its effectiveness on various surfaces. However, the Kenmore takes it to the next level. This baby can steam clean carpets, rugs, and upholstery. Users highlighted its lightweight design and ability to clean both hardwood and carpet, making it a multifunctional tool in their cleaning arsenal. Now, let's talk accessories. The Bissell comes with 2 pads and some lovely Spring Breeze fragrance discs, which users appreciate for adding a fresh scent to their cleaning. On the other hand, the Kenmore comes with a variety of attachments, including a bristle tool and an angle tool. Reviewers love this feature, calling it the Avengers of cleaning tools, making it a great option for those who want a comprehensive cleaning experience. Finally, let's discuss usability. The Bissell heats up in just 30 seconds, which users praise for its efficiency during cleaning sessions. It has a 23-foot power cord, allowing for extensive coverage without the need for constant recharging. The Kenmore is also noted for its quick performance and lightweight design, but some reviewers have mentioned that its cord length could be improved, making it less convenient for larger spaces. Overall, the Bissell Power Fresh Steam Mop is highly praised for its cleaning efficiency and ease of use, with many users satisfied with its performance on various floor types. In contrast, the Kenmore SM2050 has mixed reviews, with some users loving its lightweight design and versatility, while others faced issues with its effectiveness and customer service. So who wins this steam mop showdown? If you want a powerful, straightforward cleaning experience, the Bissell Power Fresh might be your best bet. But if you're looking for versatility and a tool that can tackle more than just floors, the Kenmore SM2050 takes the cake. Remember, whether you choose Bissell or Kenmore, just make sure you pick the one that fits your cleaning style. Hit that like button if you found this video helpful, subscribe for more smart buying tips, and let us know in the comments which mop you're going to add to your cleaning arsenal. Now go out there and mop like nobody's watching. Until next time, folks, stay smart and buy smart.